Welcome back. My name is Cindy, and on this channel, I help you to pinpoint ways on how to improve your romantic and parental relationships. In this video, I will help you recognize 3 top signs of a toxic relationship. So be sure to like this video, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Signs of a toxic relationship can be subtle or very obvious. It's usually tough to recognize abusive patterns when you are in a toxic relationship. In a healthy relationship, you can generally make decisions together, have open discussions about any issues that may arise, and genuinely enjoy each other's company. If you always feel drained or unhappy when you spend time with your partner, it's probably time to evaluate your relationship. Many relationships start on a positive note, but over time, interactions between partners can become toxic. If your time together is no longer positive or supportive, take some time to pinpoint what needs to change in your relationship. Pay attention to signs and behaviors in yourself, your partner, or the relationship itself. Excusing abusive behavior will not make it go away. Let's go over 3 signs you do not want to ignore. Control can come in many different forms, such as manipulation, guilt, or pressure. Manipulation is when someone is trying to use psychological influence over you or a situation to gain their desired outcome. When someone uses if-then statements like, if you love me, then you won't go out tonight. This is a guilt trip tactic to gain control. Sometimes your partner can apply pressure by having the same conversations over and over and over again in hopes that you will change your mind in doing something that you probably do not want to do. Going along with whatever your partner wants to do, even if it goes against your wishes or comfort zone, can create a toxic situation. Being considerate of your partner is one thing, but if you are always denying yourself to say yes to them, you should consider setting some boundaries. If they dismiss, belittle, or violate your boundaries, this can cause emotional distress, such as lack of sleep, depression, fear, crying all the time, feeling anxious. This is a sign that you do not want to ignore because it will get worse over time. Anger is a natural emotion, but if you or your partner has a hard time controlling it and it's always causing you to say or do things you later regret, it is a problem that you want to address. Immature behavior such as acting entitled, being demanding are also signs of anger. If you feel like you are always walking on eggshells, trying to avoid explosive interactions, or you fear sharing your thoughts and feelings, that is a sign that your relationship is becoming toxic. Many times people accept or stay in toxic relationships because it feels familiar or comfortable, but it is not healthy. You can try talking to your partner if you feel safe, or you should seek support from a therapist to help break the cycle. It is possible to restore a toxic relationship if both partners are committed. A mental health professional can help you work through certain issues and identifying any underlying mental health conditions that can be a contributing factor. I hope this video was helpful. Share your thoughts about this topic in the comments. Please share this video with anyone that would benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.